So here we are with the next instalment of the Jetta. So before we start, give us a like, click subscribe if you can, it helps me out. So we got the arch all cleaned out, degreased the lot, waxed inside the seals, any loose under seals off. So now all we're using is some etch primer to cover all the inside of this arch. Dusting it on first to let the etch primer really do its job and get a good adhesion. As you can see, that's all the arch etch primed. So once that's nice and dry, we will then put some stone chip on, just to give it some more protection. Now let's clean this up and see how big the hole is. Same detail, next rusty hole. This gets quite big. So as you can see here, this is where you would have like your fuel pumps mounted if it was a petrol car, etc. You can see the underseals just come away from where the nuts are welded to the body. Bit of a hole there. Yeah, so it's going to get a lot bigger once we get the grinder on it and clean all the loose stuff off. So as you can see, it's not the strongest bit of floor here. Again, it's not a structural area, so there's no massive concerns. Might just do a bigger plate on there, big plate round there, just to sort of save messing around too much. That bottom one's gone through as well, so we'll have to sort that just under here. So told you it'd get bigger. So as you can see, the wire wheel's taken a lot of mess off. Now what I like to do, I mean the factory underseal is really good stuff, so I'm just taking off the stuff loose. When it starts looking like this at the top, where the wire wheel's struggling to remove it, that's when I'm happy to stop, because there's no point taking any more off. Just want the loose stuff off so I can go over it again. So for easy repairs, I'm welding this from the inside. So as I've drawn a circle around the plate, so that leaves us a good 5-ish mil of strong metal to weld the new disc to. One repair done, etched, primed and seam sealed. It's not pretty, but it's there to keep it protected. Same again underneath, some more seam sealer, and once it's all dry that'll be stone chipped, etc. once it's ready. One arch looking absolutely beautiful. So as I said, we've had it scrubbed out, degreased, all the loose bits moved up, etched, primed, stone chip, and it's had a couple of coats of lacquer on it and it looks really good. Now I just need to bung the holes up and cover those up. Finally we can get on fitting the spoiler. Now the boot has had a quick cut and polish, all ready to go, and I've just put a little bit of sealant around the hole so it doesn't leak. and it's fitted. It looks so much better in black than it does the bronzy gold colour it was. Now I've sprayed this in a satin black, which leaves a nice OEM finish. I've done this purely to break up the contrast on the back of the car, so it's not so much gloss. I think the Jettas really suit a spoil on the back. It just gives that little bit more. Happy with that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.